Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of Australia Hotel design that we started for a while. In the first episode, we were able to design this. In this last episode, we create another concept which gives the design. Now look at it from the view. We were able to create the ship-like parts, and this is what you are representing at this below side. So what we want to do now is to complete this concept and let the form comes out now in this particular tutorial. So let's start. So go to your level, to your side view, so which is a south elevation where you face. So we want to create something at this level. So the first thing we can do is to create more level, and we are going to level 16. So this is level 6, so we need like 10 more 10 more level to add to it. To add, we start, click on level. At the level, instead of you drawing it from one, just click on the pick line. So at this place, you offset it and give it to 3000 the level. So this one will be more faster and more, the more you are doing it, updating itself. So click the first one, you see 7 and 8 has been created. So you click this one. No, something is missing. Control Z. Your 7 is there. So select again. Then you create the 8 one. Then you create the 9 one. Then the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then the last one, 16. So everywhere you are going to see this. So you can close this, toggle this one and close it down, so that we'll be able to access the remaining one. So when you are in the website 16, everything is available according to what you have done. So now we go to level 7, where level 4 is the way we have the last plan. So but we are going to use the references. So underlay, so you use the underlay by using level 1 to reference the aspect, so that all this will be available. That's the only level we have designed for now, to at least to sell bare minimum. Now the next thing we do is that we now create our, so what we want to use here is to use massing, and our massing is what we're going to assist us to create that level to the next one. So how do we do that? So go to your site, go to massing and sites, and the massing and sites model in place. So in place, then you say close. Now the reason is this. The reason for massing creation is the form effect. I want to create some form here that will have something little bit different from the normal one, because I want some part of the elevation to have some curves, which is very difficult to do when you are doing some planar design, like when you are using normal block or any other thing. So you are going to use effect of this. So I'm going to start from using model in place. I'm going to use model line to start what I want to create. So I'm starting from level 4. So from level 4 now, I'm picking a circle or radius or whatsoever I think is okay for the construction first. So I'm going to set from the middle. I have no middle line here, though. Let me create one reference one so that will assist me in what I want to do. So this is the center of which I want to do whatsoever I want to create from. So that's where I'm going to use. So here I'm starting with the construction of this, put it here and go around. So you're going to stop at somewhere here. So when you stop at somewhere here, and now I'm going to reduce the radius. Instead of having 15, so I'm going to change it to 10, because it's still going to expand. At the middle is going to be something like that, then come back again to normal level. So I'm going to have 10 meter at that center. Okay, so I'm going to delete these ones. So this is going to take me, and I will say click. Then I will go to what I'm going to do is that I copy to clipboard. Where is the copy clipboard copy? If there is no clipboard copy here, what we just need is that to copy everything and go and put them one after the other. So select this one now, modify. So in as well there is no clipboard copy, what we're going to do is that we go to your elevation, and if elevation, which is what it states at level 4, so we are going to do move. So what we do is that we move it away from there, from level 4, and place it in level move, and you remove constraint and the joints. Constraint, remove the constraint, and click back the D joints. So you put it there. So when you put it here now and you say copy, so this copy will allow you to move around. So copy to this and say copy multiple. So the moment you start again, remove the constraint, put it on the next one, remove the constraint, go to 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 the next one, then you remove the constraint and go to the next one, and remove the constraint and go to the next one, remove the constraint and the last one, and go to the last one. So you are done with this. You'll be wondering all these things you have created, what are they? So you can check them from the 3D view, and you're going to see the ring you have created. So click finish. So save. So expand this and take it up. So this is what you have created. So the shape is not out yet, but just like having the effect of what you are doing. So you can check it from 3D as well. It's a model line. So this is what you have done. So this one is there for now. So the next thing you do is that you now begin to edit them one after the other. So the middle one, which is the go to start elevation, is going to be here. So you select and say edit in place. Let everything be edited. So you are going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the middle is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one and this one are going to be edited. So that will be of the level. Which level is that? So it's going to be level 11 and level 10. They're going to be edited. So go to level 10. So here we edit this and say increase this one to 15. Good. Go to level 11. Do the same thing to 15. Good. So now we go to level 9. Increase this to 14. Then go to level 12. Increase this to 14. Good. So go to level 8. Change this to 13. Then come to level 13. Yes. So change it to 13 as well. Then go to level 14. Go to level 14 and change it to 12. Then we go to level 8. Okay, now go to level 7. Then from there we change it to 13 or 12. Change it to 12. Then level 6 we change it to 11. Then level 15, change it to 12. And level 16, change it to 11. So you check whether everything you've done are inaccurate. So go to level this. Can you see? So it did form the shape. I think it's except for this. They have issue. So what is the radius? This is 12. This is 12. So this is going to be changed. This is what? 14, 13, 12. This will be 11. So change this radius to 11. Then change this to 10. So it remain 10. Good. So the same thing that's happened here. 11, 12, 13, 15. So that is the form of the concept this is going to form. So it's not done yet. So we're going to level. This aspect is going to be different a bit because the shape is going to form something really relevant. So now we go to just say click 3D elevation. At this junction you can delete this. So from here now you can select this and let them create for you form part, say solid form. Good. So this is what is formed on this particular end. So look at it from here. It has formed the box we want to form. So the next thing is that we want to create something that will follow this pattern. I'm not going to use masking for this one. I'm just going to use normal block wall. So what I do is that I go to elevation, floor plan. So at the floor plan, using click finish, the evidence of this I'm going to show later on. So click finish at this and then go to where do we go? So go to your work plan. So at that, press escape first. Now underlay, use level 1 so that those plans will be showing. So here is what we want to do. So I'm going to take it some way there. So I'm going to use wall. So from wall, I'm going to use unconnected height. I'm connected to the height of level 13. So that's what I want to do, starting from base 5. So I'm following this pattern to do whatever I want to do. So I'm drawing this to this point. So then from here I will mirror this, or wait, yeah, mirror it. So when you mirror this, good. So edit this profile, only this profile, because you still mirror it back. So go back here and see edit the profile. So the profile will be editing at this level. So actually the level I want is at level 14. So I'm still going to work on that one. So click finish and change the level to level 14. So let it expand. So from here you drag this to halfway through from here. So now you edit this profile, edit the profile. So as you edit the profile now, you bevel this from this grid line and tint let it stop here. So as you are done with that, so you follow through by let it follow these elements. So then you delete and you break up the whole. It's more difficult for you to do, but it will be helpful if you follow the whole procedure. So let's tend to work on that and see how far we can go with. You see, it's going to be a lot of difficult things to do. It just does not mean it's impossible. So what we do is that we may use some coordinated style to work this out. Good. So like this, then you draw this and fix it here while you delete this one. So you are constructing something that will give you a good references towards your design. Good. So here now you can trim and move on. So edit this and delete. So do the same thing at this junction. So concept creation. So you don't do this. So from here now you can click here and say go to level 5. So this will be gone for now. So just say mirror. Good. So when you look at it from 3D and you see what you've created, so what you're doing is that when you look at it from this perspective, you see, so these concepts are coming to limelight. So I'm going to a little bit deviate from that what we have been doing, and this is what we are going to create for now, and it's going to work perfectly. So at this junction I'm going to create a void which is going to harbor everything we need, and that is what we want to do in this place for now. So you can go to massing again, because the format is just what I want to be using. So go to this and say click here and say edit in place. So edit in place, then you click say another one. So just this one is going to be a box. Just from here. So from here for the level 8, so you can just click go to 3D, because this one is going to be a fast thing to do. Go to 3D and just say create form, solid form. So this one is started, so you can extrude this to the top. When you are on the side, let me see, from this 3D perspective, use this direction. Yeah. So from here you can just say okay, we've gotten this what you want to do here. Click massing. There's an issue, but don't worry, just edit in place. So from here you can change the work on the surface whatsoever that you see that okay it's possible. Click here. So from here you can just drag. So I'm just like making you to understand the manipulation that can go on when you are doing massing and on site. So you can just adjust and adjust like that. So when you're done with that, you can go to 3D, select the surface again. Possible for you, can increase the height to the definite height that you feel like this is okay for you. So from here you mirror and then you say west, from the west side. So you click a mirror again. So this is what you do. So you can copy this from east That is what you are seeing here. So you can copy or mirror whatsoever you feel like okay you want to do. You check the 3D, see what you have done at that level. So select the whole components here. So if it's okay by you, you use it. If it's not okay, just click finish. So as you are done with the finish level, that is for you on this side. So the next thing to do is to create another opposing box at that level. So click here, edit it, or you can decide to say okay, click finish. So you duplicate this entire control, go to level 6 or 7. So you just say mirror everything. So this is mirrored, then you edit and you say edit in place for this one. So at this 3D for that function, so you are already getting to what you need to make use of. So this concept is going to be something that you live on and you work with conveniently. So when you look at it now from 3D, you see that okay, the parts, the concepts are coming out, and these are the design procedure that we want to use to get everything into detail. So after we are done with this, you can just begin to see okay, what are we going to do. So the last phase is that we are not going to work on it for now, but just let me use to create the concept so that everyone will feel the concept of it I'm doing. So click on 3D and say go to architecture. From the architecture, click on wall and you say wall by face. See what we want to do here. So every wall that we're going to be choosing here is going to match up. Can you see? So that wall is by face, everything joined together, and the wall was created. The same way here, the same way here. Any type of wall we create is going to be there. So when you look at it from 3M, can you see? So click save. So the concept is out, the pattern is what has been described. So if you do whatsoever you want to do here, like casting the shadow anyhow, anywhere, if you, let's say I want to use the background, let me use background so that you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So use gradient, at the gradient just like normal sky, increase a bit and say okay, apply. So this is it. So you have the concepts in place, so you can decide to use this concept and create whatsoever you want to create in your home build. So this is the another grade of what you have done in this particular project. So in the next project, in next episode, we are going to complete the whole thing and start working on the elevation and bringing all this aesthetic idea into it. So thanks for watching. Continue to follow us and say and subscribe if you have never for once.